Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to be discussing about TotalReach. As we've said in the past, for us to have our ad set up, we need first TotalReach and second to set up our ads. So the first part of it, which is TotalReach, is what we're going to be working on now. So for TotalReach, we will be needing our domain. So our domain is something like your www.facebook.com, www.google.com. So in your case, there has to be a website that will be linked to your total reach so that whenever they type that website, it is going to be your page that would show. So in our case, we're going to choose a domain. So the second thing we'll need is Cloudflare. Because we are going to be buying the domain from a Nigerian company, usually it takes time for it to propagate. So we are going to move that domain to Cloudflare, which is an international company. That way, it's not going to waste time to propagate, and our website would always be reliable and available at all times. The third thing we're going to be needing is a WhatsApp group. For the WhatsApp group, what we need it for is to drive those people that show interest. So when they show interest, they're going to fill a form, and when they fill the form, after filling the form, we'll ask them to join our WhatsApp group. So it's inside that WhatsApp group we're going to actually train people or teach them what we promise them. And the idea is for while we teach them, we ask them to actually also watch, because what we are teaching them is actually on YouTube. So they'll watch those YouTube content and we ask them to subscribe. So when we ask them to subscribe and we're watching those YouTube content, so it's going to help our YouTube channel to grow. So the last one is Total Reach. So for Total Reach setup, it's going to be about the actual website that we are going to be driving people to and how we can set it up and link it to our WhatsApp group and to all of those. So now that we understand how everything connects, so we're going to start with the first one, which is the domain. We'll be going to Google Host for that. So we go to googlehost.com. So Google Host has just been purchased by Go54. So if you go to googlehost.com, you would see that it has Go54 here. So it's okay. So we're going to search for the domain that we want to purchase. In my case, I'm just going to search for learnwithibrahim.com.ng. So and I'm going to search for it. As you can see, learnwithibrahim.com.ng is available for 2,600. So what I need to do is add to cart. So and I click on continue. I'll click on continue again. So now it brings us to this page. So you can either log in if you have an existing account with Google Host by clicking this and you fill in your email and your password, or you create an account. So this is the default. So most people will be creating the account. So you just fill in the information here, name, everything. So and here you're going to set your password too. So you can choose to generate your password or you can just choose to write your password. Any one of them works. So once you're done with all of this, you tick the I have read the agreement button and you click on checkout. So I'm going to fill mine now. So it's asking me to save my info. I'll save it. It's asking me to subscribe. I'm not interested in subscribing, so I'll close it. So now it has sent a verification mail. So I'm going to go to my email to check for it. So I'm in my mail. So it's not in my inbox, but when I check the junk folder, I found it there. So you too can check your spam if you don't find it in your email. So I'm going to look for, this is the link. I'm just going to copy the link here. I'll go back to the other browser and paste it here. So it says my email has been verified. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to make my payment. So you can pay with your card or transfer or using your bank or USSD or QR code or OPay. In my case, I'll be paying with transfer. I've sent the payment and the payment is successful. Now that my payment has been confirmed, I'm going to click to continue to client area. Now what I want to do is I want to go to domains, my domains. As you can see, the domain is now active. The next thing I want to do is I want to move it to Cloudflare. So I'm going to click on these three dots and click on manage name servers. Once the name servers are opened, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on use custom name servers. So this name server 1 and this name server 2 are the ones I'm going to be taking away and I will be replacing them with the name servers from Cloudflare. So we're going to head to Cloudflare now. So we go to cloudflare.com. So once we get to Cloudflare, you click on start for free. So I'll input my email and password and then click on the sign up button and click on verify your email. Thereafter, I click on sign up. I'm going to save my password with Google. Now I'm going to click on add a website. I'm going to input the name of the domain we bought, which is learnwithibrahim.com.ng, and I'll click continue. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on the free plan and then click on continue. Thereafter, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to copy this and this. This is for the name server 1 and this is for the name server 2. So I'm going to click this to copy and I'm going to go back. I'm going to paste it under my name server 1. I'm going to go back to Cloudflare once again, copy the second one, go back to Google Host and paste the second one. Thereafter, I'm going to click on change name servers. So I've successfully changed it. Then I'm going to go back to Cloudflare. Usually it takes 24 hours for these changes to appear. From experience, it sometimes takes between 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to come back after an hour to check if it's done. The second thing is this red bar below. Whenever you see this red bar below, it's because it has sent an email verification and you're here to verify your email. So what you need to do is to verify your email. So I'm going to enter my inbox to verify my email now. So now I'm in my inbox. So this is the link. Because I'm not using the same browser, I'll have to copy the link. So I'll paste it here. So you can see it has gone. So I'll click on this Cloudflare to go back to my home. And I'll click on websites. So you can see the website here. Pending name server update. So if I click on it, I'm going to see the overview. So I'm going to wait for a while and I'm going to come back once it's verified. Once it's verified, I'm going to receive a mail from Cloudflare and I'll come here to complete my setup. So I checked my mail now and I saw that Cloudflare sent a message to me that the status is active. So we're going to go back now to check it. So we are here. So what we need to do is refresh. Alhamdulillah, it's active as you can see. This took about 30 minutes before it became active. The next thing is to get our TotalReach. Whenever you request for your TotalReach, you're going to receive a mail similar to this. So allow dollars, activate your account, allow dollars. So this is how the mail is going to be. So this is the mail from allow dollars for TotalReach. So you click on it and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you click here to log in. So we'll be prompted to add the password. So we're going to set a password for our account. Then you click on change password. Click on continue to log in. So you're going to have this interface. So you click on sign in. It's going to send the verification code. So you click send security code. So we're going to go to our mail to check for it. So this is the security code. We copy it. Paste. The next thing is to paste the template link for the website. So I'm going to provide it to you. So once you click on it, it's going to clone the website into your TotalReach. You can see it's asking me to copy. I'll click add and I'm going to rename the funnel. In my case, I'll call it Learn with Ibrahim. Then I'll choose the location and I'll click clone funnel. Now I have the website in my Go High Level TotalReach account. So I can just click on it to edit it. So the website has two pages. The first page is the registration page. The next page is the thank you page. So I'll start by editing the registration page. I'll scroll down, click on edit, edit in new tab. So to edit the website, all you need to do is just click on it and edit it as you like. You can delete it and you can write something into it. So you edit the website as you like and then you scroll down to the form. So to create the form, we're going to duplicate this page. Then we go back. This time we're going to forms and we're going to builder. Then we click on add form. Then we click on start from scratch. We click on this to edit it. And we call it Learn with Ibrahim. Thereafter we scroll down. We click on this and we delete it. We click on this terms and policies and then we delete it. Then we click on the button and change it to register. Then we click on save. Once we're done with our form, we go back to our website. This time we come to our form, we click on it, we scroll down, and we change it to Learn with Ibrahim. And it's going to load the form. So we scroll down. The next thing we need to do is to save. So we click on save. Once you save, it's going to pop up your SEO content and you're going to edit it. For the content, we're going to change it from allow dollars to Learn with Ibrahim. And the description is going to be exclusive WhatsApp class. Thereafter, we click on save. With this, we are done with the registration page. Then we proceed to the thank you page. We click on thank you. Once we're on the thank you page, what we need to do is to edit the join WhatsApp group button. We click on it and we scroll down to edit the website URL. So you paste your WhatsApp group link here. Once you paste it, you're going to save. And that way you have your website ready. The last thing we're going to do is to link our website to the domain we bought earlier. To do that, we're going to go to our settings, scroll down to domains, click on add, and then we write our domain. After which we click on continue. It's going to pop up this interface for us to authorize the domain. It's very essential that you have your Cloudflare signed in to where your GUI level TotalReach is signed in. That way, it's going to help you do everything automatically. If it's not signed in, then it means you're going to have to do it manually. So you click on authorize domain, scroll down, click on authorize. Now it's going to ask us to choose the website we want to link to this domain. So we click and we choose Learn with Ibrahim. We come to additional options and we set our default page to be Learn with Ibrahim. And we click link domain. Now our domain has been linked. Whenever we go to www.learnwithibrahim.com.ng, then we are going to see our website there. As you can see, the website is ready. The next thing we'll do is to test our form. We're going to fill in some information randomly. I'll click on register. As you can see, it's working. In my case, if I click join WhatsApp group, it won't go anywhere. And that's because I haven't added any link to the WhatsApp group. In your case, you would have added one. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood and said, and forgives us our shortcomings. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.